ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that can streamline process for marketing agencies, offering a centralized platform to manage tasks, collaborate, and track progress. Whether you're managing campaigns, content creation, or client projects, ClickUp helps keep everything organized and efficient. Here's how to effectively use ClickUp for a marketing agency. Organize projects. Create projects. Set up a separate project for each marketing campaign or client. Each project can contain tasks, lists, and workflows tailored to the agency's specific needs. Use folders and spaces. Organize projects into folders or spaces to group similar campaigns or clients together, providing a clear structure. Task management. Create custom tasks. Add tasks for each piece of the marketing strategy, such as social media posts, blog articles, email campaigns, or PPC ads. Assign due dates and priorities. Set deadlines and prioritize tasks to ensure timely completion of projects. Utilize subtasks. Break down complex tasks into subtasks, such as researching keywords or creating content calendars, to keep smaller tasks manageable. Collaboration and communication. Collaborate in real time. Teams can comment on tasks, attach files, and discuss ideas directly within ClickUp to keep everyone on the same page. Use docs and whiteboards. Leverage ClickUp's integrated docs and whiteboards for brainstorming sessions, client pitches, or creating content briefs collaboratively. Track performance. Track progress. Monitor the progress of marketing campaigns through visual tools like Gantt charts, Kanban boards, and timeline views. Integrate analytics. Connect marketing analytics tools to ClickUp to track the performance of SEO, PPC, social media, and other campaigns. Automation and integrations. Automate repetitive tasks. Automate workflows, such as sending follow-up emails or setting up recurring tasks to save time and reduce manual effort. Integrate with other tools. Sync ClickUp with tools like Google Drive, Slack, or Trello to enhance productivity and streamline workflows across platforms.